Hello everyone. Today me and my dad are going to make my own practice sticks. We have 2 sticks, a saw, and some electric tape. Let's get started. Right now we're going to start with the electric tape, wrapping it around.
Yeah, we are going to stabilize it because these are a little too long. So we're going to stabilize it first so we can cut it. Okay, first we're going to saw it. We wanted to measure it from her middle of her breastbone to her fingertips when her arm was outstretched. And we want to thank Messina Treasures of Samoa for teaching us how to measure the practice stick. Now Silhouette is going to use some of the soft cloth we bought to be some of the padding, and she's going to cut it down the middle. Good job, sweetie. So if I remember the video correctly, basically you've got some nice soft cloth, or like a towel cloth, and I'm going to wrap it around. This would be the large part of the knife. And I'm going to try to keep this tight as I roll it. Alright, until I get done rolling it. Let's see what it looks like when it's done. Okay, it doesn't look perfect by any means, but it's as tight as I could get it. So I'm going to try to hold it there and at least seal the bottom. So that way I can finish wrapping the top. Now I'm just going to do black to hold it here, but she actually wants these in different color. That's why she wanted to do her own, so she could have a pink and purple one. Alright, I don't know how good this looks, but there's her top part. I covered the black with pink. So, and now I just got the little end right here that I did with the black, and now I have to do it with the pink. Alright, let's keep going. So here's her stick we just wrapped. It is definitely harder there. I don't think my padding was very good. She's gonna knock herself out if she plays with it, and it is a little shorter than the other one, but she wanted to try a little shorter one so she wouldn't hit herself in the chin, because she just don't know how to spin it very good now. But she likes it, she said. She won't use it in class, and she's gonna practice with this one because this is the one that the professionals made, whereas we're just doing this for fun. We are by no means professionals. It's just for fun. Just for fun. Just for a hobby. There you go. I'm going to make the other one. It'll be purple and pink. And I'll probably show you when that's done. And then we'll go to the rest of the video. Okay, we came over here. We're done with the 2 SIVA AFI sticks. But practice stick. But Silhouette threw the dog's toy. And now it's way up on the fence, so she volunteered to climb up there and get it. Let's see if she can do it. I had a helper, so I couldn't film. So here we go. Let's see your sticks. So Silhouette helped with the final wrapping. Hold them out towards the grass. So she's got pink with purple wrap and purple with pink wrap. So they're a little bit shorter, and of course, let me show you. So it's so hard to evenly wrap these, you know, without ever having to do it before. But like I said, this is just a hobby, just for fun. We're not trying to replace anybody else's sticks. We just wanted to see if we could make some that looked similar. So let's see if they work. Okay, let's see what you can do. Are you gonna just do one for now?
Right now.
Maybe try them both and see which one feels more balanced. So that's the purple tip. Now let's see the pink tip.
This one's a little bit heavier than this one.
Oh, you're gonna try to do them both? Good luck.
Oh my God.
They're gonna hit each other. Ding, 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 ding. I'm gonna look on the side, see if it looks normal. I have no idea. That's right. Okay, just pick one. Just do your normal spinning, see how fast you can get it going. See if it works with your new baby sticks.
Ah.
All right. Well, we had fun making them. We're probably going to go get her regular stick now so she can do her practice for tonight. All right. Talk to you later. What do you say?
Peace. Oh, fast food.
Fast food.
Hello, pa.
Talofa.
Hello.
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 Brr.
Sawia.
Sawia. Bum, brum, brum. I don't have any drumsticks, and I couldn't do it even if I did have them. We're just seeing how she likes these sticks. They look like they're a little off balanced, don't you think?
Maybe.
Yeah, they felt weird, but then again, it's hard to, well, for me it's hard, and for her it's hard to make them perfectly since we've never made them before. But it was fun trying.
Ah.
Okay, try your other one. Okay, she's got the pink tip one. Just start it, so Sawia.
Oh, Sawia.
Sawia. Bum, brum, brum, brum. Oh, you already failed. That one's the worst one, I guess. Let's see how you do spinning that one fast. How's that one feel?
Feels nice.
Come closer. Ding, 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 ding. Can you spin backwards? Your backward spin? Oh.
I did it.
Wow. You're special. Not bad. Okay. That's enough for tonight. Alofa. Job.
Rage on that beat, going crazy.